Hi friends, welcome back to the Cyber Source. Today we will discuss about the DHCP. What is the DHCP Snooping? Actually, before going to discuss about the DHCP Snooping, we will discuss about the what is the DHCP. Actually, DHCP means Dynamic Host Control Protocol. It's a client server protocol that assign the IPs to endpoints automatically. Okay, as we know that my organization has thousands of endpoint devices like PC, printers, desktop, laptop. We cannot assign the IPs automatically to these endpoints. We need a servers that assign the IPs dynamically or automatically to these servers. So this is the DHCP server. Here we can see that DHCP server is assigning DHCP server is assigning the IPs to the DHCP clients. These are the clients. Uh, okay, these are the clients. So now we will discuss about the what is the DHCP snooping. Basically, DHCP snooping is a security features which work on the layer 2 of OSI model. It prevents unauthorized DHCP server to access the network. Okay, it is a protection from the unauthorized host that try to become a that unauthorized host that try to become a DHCP server. It work as a protection from the man in middle attack, MIMT, man in middle attacks. Let's take an example of DHCP snooping attack. Suppose that there is an attacker. He connected his laptop to the network and make it fake DHCP server and fake DHCP server and try to give IPs to the endpoints. As we know that DHCP works on the DORA process. What is the DORA process? I'll tell you here. Actually, DORA process is a DORA process. Okay. What is the DORA? Discover, offer, request, and acknowledge. These are the messages which are exchanged between the client and server by the broadcast. Attacker listen the broadcast message and give the fake addresses to the endpoint devices, like it provides the fake address, address means IP, default gateway or routers and lease to the endpoint devices. This actually DHCP snooping is work on the switch level and its connected devices to prevent the DHCP attacks. Basically, DHCP snooping work on the interface. It divides the interfaces in two parts: trusted port and untrusted ports. The ports which are on which the manageable devices like servers, routers, switches are connected are called the trusted port. This is the trusted port on which these devices are connected. These are the manageable devices we can manage by giving the IPs and other things. The ports on which the endpoint devices are connected like PC, laptops, iPhones, access points are called the untrusted port. Here we can say that here also see that how the DHCP servers work. This is the DHCP servers. DHCP server is connected on the trusted port here, and these endpoint devices are connected on the untrusted port. One another fake DHCP server fake DHCP server is connected. Okay, let's see here how DHCP snooping is work. DHCP snooping port is available. We can see this is the switch on single port is connected the DHCP. We define the DHCP enable port here. This is the port which is defined. This is enable and check the messages, LoRa messages are coming from the trusted port or untrusted ports. So we will discuss it later here. Actually, as we know that the DHCP servers work on the trusted and untrusted ports on the client server, between the client servers. Two messages means discover and request from the clients are received on the ports, and another two messages offer and acknowledge are received from the server sides. So basically DHCP snooping is work on these two messages. When messages when trusted trusted port receive, offer and acknowledge offer and acknowledge messages on port, there is no need to do anything. Let it allowed or let it pass through the switch. Because of, as we earlier discussed, that DHCP servers is work on the trusted port, or these two packets offer and acknowledge are coming from the server. Suppose that if trusted port is received, if untrusted port is received, offer and acknowledge message, it means there is one server is connected on the untrusted ports that may be fake, so it should be dropped or blocked. Because of untrusted port is on, because of untrusted on the untrusted port, only end devices are connected, can be connected. So due to this, the switch port is drop these messages at its end and not allowed to further convey the message to the other devices. The logic of the DHCP untrusted port is it create the tables or keep the record in DHCP server. What type of table it create and what type of records are created, what type of record keep in that table. It create the tables called the binding tables, which bind the client's information. What are the client informations? What is the interface here? It contains the details of the VLAN. It contains the detail of MAC address of the client. It contains the detail of the IP address which is assigned to the endpoint devices. These information is contained in the table. DHCP snooping also limit the number of requests arriving any interface, and this help to prevent the DOS attack that can consume the entire address space or overload the DHCP server. Due to that, the DHCP server cannot assign the IP to the endpoint devices, and system or network may be get hang or blocked. Now we will discuss how to DHCP is configured on the switch. Before going to configuration, we should read these notes. DHCP snooping is disabled by default. When we try to enable DHCP snooping, it is a trusted setting port is untrusted by default on the any switches. DHCP snooping must be enabled on the client and DHCP servers VLANs also. The second note is there, DHCP snooping can be configured for VLANs even before VLAN or VLANs are created. VLAN and DHCP snooping configurations on the VLAN are not automatically deleted when the VLANs is deleted. It means whenever we try to read the DHCP snooping configurations, it is not affect on the VLANs. Okay. How we configure the DHCP snooping on the switch? This is the global command. Here we can see that IP DHCP snooping. This is a global command by which we can configure the DHCP snooping on the switch. Okay. Similarly, if we want to configure the DHCP snooping on the particular VLAN, we can define here also on a single VLAN only. We can see on this command here only VLAN 99 is protected by the DHCP snooping here. Okay, so in this way we can configure the DHCP snooping on particular VLAN. Or if we want to configure the DHCP snooping for the multiple VLANs, we can also define here like this. Here we define the VLAN 99 and 999 VLAN is protected by the DHCP snooping. If we want to clear the database of DHCP snooping in the data on the database table, so we can use this command, clear DHCP. Clear DHCP is a command that deletes all the entries in the DHCP tables, binding tables, even whatever is available in the table. It clear of plus all the details from the binding database table. If we want to delete the particular IP or particular data from the table, we can clear like this here. Here clear DHCP, and this is the IP where we want to delete from the DHCP binding table. So in this way, it was the DHCP snooping, how to protect our DHCP server from the unauthorized or fake DHCP servers, and how to protect our network from the DDoS attack. So friends, keep watching and keep following the Cybex Source. Thank you.